So hello guys, for beginners, good afternoon. I would like to drop this quick video for some of you who are complaining on how to effectively enter a trade, buy and sell. All right, I'll be doing that quickly. How to buy a trade, how to sell a trade, how to place stop loss, how to place take profit, how to do trailing stop, and all of that. So quickly, let's grab our tools. So if you want to buy a trade, for example, look at this place, click this place. All right, click that place and then go to, this is what we call market watch list. Currently there are trades running here, so it's a new demo account I just opened. So any of the pair you want to trade, all you just have to do is just to tap on the pair. For example, if you want to trade this guy or you want to trade this guy, all you just have to do is to just tap on the pair. Okay, for example, let's take NZD/USD. Just tap on it, you will see new order, open order. So you just click open order. Now look at it. So you want to buy this pair NZD/USD. So you just tap this place. You see where I'm marking? You tap that place. Tap this place. You will see buy and sell under. You will see sell. You will see buy. So after you have done your analysis, all you just have to do, if you want to buy, then here this is lot size. Okay, this is lot size. This is where you change your lot size. Okay. So just tap on it, tap on that number and then change your lot size. So let's say we're using 0.01 to trade. So once you have done it, just click either buy or sell. So I'm clicking buy now. So I've clicked buy. So you see, the trade has entered. So if you want to see what you are doing, just tap on the face. Right, or just click this place. If you want to see what the market is doing, you can just click on here. This is your chart. This is where the chart is. Okay, so click on the chart to see your trade. You can zoom in to see your trade. Buy. Okay, we have bought this trade now. So now what if I want to set my stop loss for this trade? Now since you are buying, since the market is going up, you are buying, right? Or since the market is going down, is the buy we are doing here. So since you are buying and the market is buying, means you want the market to go up, right? So it means your stop loss will be down. All right, the stop loss of this trade will be down. The stop loss will be down somewhere here. Okay, the stop loss will be here. So since you say buy that the market should go up, your stop loss will be under this place. So how do I set my stop loss? How do I set my stop loss? So to set stop loss, go back to this place where your trade is. No, this place. This is this place now. Okay, that is where your trade is. So go back to this place. You will see the trade. All you just have to do is to long press this area. Okay, just long press. You will see close order, new order, modify order. Click on modify order. You want to set stop loss. Okay, first, before you set stop loss, just go back. Just go back so that we'll see where our stop loss is. So just click here and get the number that you want to set your stop loss. Click this plus arrow. So when you click it, you will see this thing. So if you look at the side, you are seeing some number 0.67. So you need to know. So your stop loss will be under this buy because you are bought. I didn't mean we sold. Our stop loss should have been on top of the sell, because selling means the market is going to go down. That means our stop loss must be up. But now that we bought, it means our stop loss will be under. So let's put our stop loss at let's say 0.6 0.62788. 0.62788. So once you have done that, just go here and click long press, go to modify order, then change this side. This side is stop loss, this side is take profit. Okay, so what did we say? 0. You now change it, so 0.26. What did we say just now? 0. What? Maybe you can just 0.62768, 62768, 62768, 62768. I have set my stop loss and now click on modify. Are you seeing it? I have modified it. So if you just tap the face now, you will see 0.628 there. It has been modified. So if you want to add take profit, that is where you want the price to reach before you are out of the trade, that one is up. Okay, remember stop loss was down, now the market is going up, so you want to take profit up. Okay, so let's assume that we want the market to come here. Okay, so our take profit will be up there. Are you getting me now? So we can take our profit here. Let's say 63082. 63082. So let's go back to this place. Okay, 63082, 63082, 63082. So long press it and then go to modify order and then change it this side now to 63082, this place now. Okay, so 63082. So you click modify. See modify under here. See modify under here. So just click modify. It has modified. So the trade we are in is already in profit. Okay, you can see that the market is going our way. So I think that is that. If you want to check your time frame, all you just have to do, just tap the face of your chart. You will see this round thing. So currently we are on H1. You see H1 here. So that is the H1 here. There's H4, D1, W1. So any one you want to check, any time frame you want to check, all you just have to do is to just tap it. For example, this is H4. I just tap H4, tap the face. If I want to look at 15, I'll just tap M15. The market outlook is different from there, and you can see our trade is going in the right direction. So if you want to, maybe for example, so trailing stop, if you want to move this stop loss now, if you want to move it up to from where it is to maybe this place, if you want to move it up maybe to this number, that is 6 to 800, you can still just modify it. Just come here. Okay, just come to this place. Okay, and then just modify it 6 to 800. Okay, so you just long press modify, then stop loss, come here and say 6 to 800. Click modify order. I hope that we get what I am trying to say now. Okay, so that is it. So I just took this trade, so maybe price can just go like this and hit our take profit. You understand? So once price hit this, it means you are out of the trade. Hope this is clear. So now see where my stop loss was before. I have modified it from here to here. So for example, if this trade keep going like this, and you want to modify your order, that is, you want to reduce your stop loss and bring it here, that is, you can actually put your stop loss here. All you just have to do is to pick that cross chair and then know the number. Where's the number? The number is 62858. So you just go to your stop loss and modify it to 62858. Now you are on break even. Okay, but if the trade keeps going up and you want to push your stop loss above this buy, so that you can be in profit, you can just be pushing it up. You keep pushing your stop loss up like that. So if there's any other question, let me know in the comment below if this helps. Wow, see our trade. So see you guys in another beginner tutorial.